In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect music to Mercedes-Benz. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and use Bluetooth on your smartphone to play music on your Mercedes-Benz, regardless of the model. So to do this, like I said before, you will have to use Bluetooth on your smartphone. This can be an Android device or an iPhone, it doesn't matter. So to establish this connection, using your car's dashboard, go over to the settings and ensure that Bluetooth is enabled. So tap on the settings, go over to the system category, and then scroll down using this menu here at the left. By scrolling up and down, eventually you will reach Internet and Bluetooth. So this is where you can make sure that Bluetooth has been enabled for your Mercedes. With Bluetooth enabled, now you will be able to set up this connection. Go back to the home screen and now choose the phone option. So instead of going over to settings, go over to phone. Inside of phone, you will see the phones that you have connected at the top, and then it is going to search for known devices. If you have never connected one, just tap the connect device option. You will see the Bluetooth icon here. Immediately upon tapping connect device, it is going to look for nearby devices, including, of course, your own smartphone. So if you have an iPhone, it is going to appear here. If you have an Android device, the model name will appear here. And this is the name that you will be able to find the Mercedes as. So look under other devices, and usually it is going to be appearing here, followed by a bunch of numbers or letters. Regardless of the model of your Mercedes, just tap on it and the connection will be established. Once the connection was established, you are now able to use it for playback. So you can go over to the Bluetooth settings, start playing songs, and music is going to be transferred over directly to your Mercedes. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect music to Mercedes-Benz. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.